I've always enjoyed being part of something that's kind of bigger than me and doing my part. In Tampa, it's just really, it's just kind of amazing how everything works and comes together. My name's David Rose. I'm a Service Technician 3, HVAC. I've been with Progress a little over 3 years. A lot of times when I get off of work, I'll look through, see what's coming in, and if we have ACs that are down, I'll call them and see if they want me to come by and take a look at it real quick on my way home. A lot of times I can get it up and running for them where they can get some rest and have their problem resolved immediately. There's several residents when I come back to their home, I feel like I'm walking into a friend of mine's house. You know, again, they're just really happy to see me because when they see my face, they know that I'm going to give them the best I got. And the best I ot's pretty good.
The first winner of the Be the Standard Core Value Award.
Yeah, I won the PCA Choice Award last year, and it was a big surprise to me. You know, I mean, I always do the best I can, and I always try to do the best I can for the market, for the resident, for everybody involved. You know, it was a huge surprise though. I didn't even know what was going on. It really, it did make me feel valued. It really did. When I go to a job, I'm pretty confident in my abilities, my skill level. But when I go to a job, if I need help, I know the help is there. You know, we all really do help each other out. It's almost like we're a family. Everybody's just super willing to help everybody else out to get the job done. Because we all kind of have a common goal. We want to get these work orders done, we want to get through it, and we want our residents to be happy. And we all share that goal.